Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Lip Fuller Kit is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for anyone dreaming of plumper, more defined lips without invasive procedures, and today we're diving deep into whether the lip club's offering lives up to the hype, examining its ingredients, application process, and the results it promises to deliver, all to help you decide if this is the secret weapon your makeup bag has been missing for that perfect pout. Number 5. QiBest Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Plumper Set. Discover the ultimate lip collection from QiBest. This set offers a stunning matte finish and a plumping effect for luscious lips. Experience highly pigmented shades that stay put all day. The velvety texture ensures comfortable wear without drying. Our formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof. Enjoy flawless lips through any occasion, from day to night. Achieve fuller-looking lips with the included lip plumper. It works to enhance your natural pout for a captivating look. Whether it's for Halloween or Valentine's Day, this set is the perfect gift. It's designed for girls and women who love to make a statement. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a perfect pout. Get ready to elevate your makeup game with these essential lip products. What we like. This set offers a variety of matte lipsticks with a long-lasting, waterproof formula. It also includes a lip plumper for added volume. If you love a bold, matte look that stays put all day and want the option for fuller lips without needles, this is a great choice for events or everyday wear. What people say. The Lip Club Fuller Lip Kit is designed to give your lips a fuller appearance. This kit includes products that work together to enhance lip volume. The design of the kit facilitates easy application for achieving fuller lips. Number 4. Honest Beauty 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara Plus Lash Primer. Get ready to elevate your lash game with our innovative 2-in-1 product. It's a powerful combination of mascara and lash primer designed for maximum impact. Experience dramatic lash enhancement like never before. This formula works to both lengthen and volumize, giving you the lashes of your dreams. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Designed with your comfort in mind, it's safe for even the most sensitive eyes. Enjoy beautiful lashes without irritation. Achieve a deep, intense black finish that makes your eyes pop. This shade provides a bold look that complements any makeup style. Enjoy beautiful, enhanced lashes that last all day. Its formula is designed for long-lasting wear, keeping you looking fabulous from morning to night. What we like. This product is a dual-ended mascara and lash primer designed to lengthen and volumize your lashes. It's also formulated to be safe for sensitive eyes. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to enhance your lashes with added care for sensitive eyes, this is the product for you. What people say. The Lip Club Fuller Lip Kit is a game-changer for achieving plumper-looking lips. The kit includes a lip liner and a plumping gloss that work together to create a fuller pout. The lip liner is creamy and easy to apply, allowing for precise definition. The plumping gloss has a subtle tingling sensation that enhances the lip's natural fullness. It's a great way to get a fuller lip look without any invasive procedures. I love how natural the Fuller Lip Kit makes my lips look. The lip liner is the perfect shade to outline my lips and the gloss adds just the right amount of shine and volume. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy, which is a huge plus for me. My lips appear noticeably fuller and smoother after using it. It's become a staple in my makeup bag for everyday wear. Number 3. DEROL Lip Plumper by Vafee. Are you craving for plump and glamorous lips? Vafee Lip Plumper Set provides your need without needles. Our system is designed for day and night lip beauty and care. Here's a gentler and safer way to achieve extreme, fuller lips. It uses natural ingredients like vitamin E and collagen to make your lips look fuller and more moisturized. Use the minty one at night as a sleeping lip mask for smoother, softer lips. The ginger one is for the day, giving you beautiful and plump lips instantly. Experience active cell viability, prevent peeling, and reduce fine lines. It repairs your lips, promoting a plump, fuller, softer, and smoother appearance. For the best results, use the minty one at night and the ginger one during the day. Consistent application is key to achieving your desired look. You can also apply it with your favorite lip gloss for more vivid and shiny colors. Get ready to enhance your natural beauty. What we like. This lip plumper offers a two-step system for 24-hour care, using different formulas for day and night. It's designed to naturally enhance fullness, moisturize, and reduce fine lines with ingredients like vitamin E and collagen. What people say. The Lip Club Fuller Lip Kit is a game-changer for achieving plumper-looking lips. The kit includes a lip liner and a plumping gloss that work together to create a fuller pout. The plumping gloss has a tingling sensation that enhances lip volume. Number 2. Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish. Achieve a visibly plumper pout with our innovative lip polish. It's designed to enhance your natural lip volume for a more luscious look. This tinted gloss provides a beautiful wash of color that complements any look. Enjoy a natural, healthy-looking flush that enhances your features. Formulated with plumping peptides and nourishing vitamin E, it works to condition and hydrate your lips. Experience a smoother, softer feel with every application. Get ready for an incredible high shine that catches the light beautifully. The non-sticky formula ensures comfortable wear all day long. It deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and softens your lips, leaving them feeling incredibly smooth and supple. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can enhance your look with confidence. What we like. This lip gloss provides a plumping effect with peptides and vitamin E, delivering a high shine finish. It also nourishes and moisturizes the lips. If you're seeking an instant boost in lip fullness and a glossy, hydrated look with a vegan formula, this is a fantastic choice for a glamorous pout. What people say. The Lip Club Fuller Lip Kit is a game-changer for achieving plumper-looking lips. The kit includes a lip liner and a plumping gloss that work together to create a fuller pout. The plumping gloss has a tingling sensation that enhances lip volume. Number 1. YUGLO Peach Lip Sleeping Mask. Tired of dry, chapped lips? Our lip sleeping mask is here to help. It works overnight to repair and hydrate. Experience deep hydration with a delightful peach scent. This treatment deeply moisturizes your lips while you sleep. Achieve visibly plumper and more moisturized lips. Just apply before bed and let it work its magic. Say goodbye to discomfort. This soothing treatment calms and repairs even the driest, most chapped lips. It's the perfect overnight solution for lip repair. Wake up to a softer, smoother, and more supple pout every morning. What we like. This is a lip sleeping mask designed for overnight repair, focusing on hydrating and soothing dry, chapped lips. It also works to plump and moisturize. If you struggle with dry or chapped lips and want an intensive overnight treatment that leaves your lips feeling soft and plump by morning, this peach-flavored mask is ideal. What people say. The lip kit comes with a lip plumper and a lip liner. The lip plumper gives a noticeable fuller look to the lips. The lip liner is creamy and easy to apply, defining the lips precisely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.